This is a bag of sweet potatoes. Not sure what's happening under there, but I'm gonna check and find out.
Hey everybody, I'm Nikki. I live for DIY projects, gardening, cooking, and just being my unique self. It's time to party, baby. Meanwhile, my husband and I are raising our daughter and son, both with special needs. And we can't forget to add Delta and Nala, our German shepherds, to the mix of shenanigans. Yes, it's a lot, but I love it. I love them, so it's all worth it. Welcome to my channel, the everyday life of an OCDish chick.
It is Tuesday, November the 1st. Let's see what I've got. I wanted to keep them longer. The leaves were still pretty green. I didn't even plan on doing this. I just decided at the last minute to go ahead and dump this bag, and this is one of the seed potatoes. Originally started with this. Just a potato cut in half. Just wanted to see what was under here. I was curious, so here's the other seed potato. Here's the one that I broke it, but yeah, it was just cut in half and I buried it. There's another one starting to grow there. Just got curious, wanted to see what was what. Let's see, a few more. I didn't really plant a ton of them. I don't really eat a lot of sweet potatoes throughout the year. Mainly the holidays. Yeah. Definitely reuse this soil. Look at the roots here. This is the bottom of the bag. This is the flap. A few more small ones here. More potentials. Yeah, a lot of roots down here. Yeah. Yeah, I probably should have left it like I planned. I'm not sure exactly how much bigger they would have gotten. Let's see a few of these small ones here. I'll just throw those back in the bag, compost the roots and all of that is nutrients, organic matter that will break down. Here's a larger one. Yeah. A couple more. Not bad, yeah. Like I said, I only did one bag. We don't really eat sweet potatoes like that throughout the year. Not often. Usually I'm on my keto diet, so I'm trying to stay away from the potatoes and stuff like that. So that's usually why I'm not trying to really grow a ton of it. But yeah, so looks like, yeah, that's not bad for one little grow bag full. I really like it more for the leaves. I really enjoy eating the leaves. Personally, love the leaves. They're really yummy. I'll just throw it back in the bag. These are nutrients that will break down over time to feed that soil, and in turn, that good organic matter will feed my future plants. I've already started filling my grow bag here with the soil. Also adding some kitchen scraps here, and this is how I'm going to feed my soil over the winter. It'll break down. I've also grabbed my kitchen scraps. Here are my kitchen scraps. And some leaves got into the house, so I just put them in here in the compost bin because I knew I'd eventually bring them back out here. So some onion, orange peels, even paper towels, all of that will go in here. Got some apple, more paper towels, all of that's going to break down. The cardboard from the toilet tissue roll, all of this will break down. And just start adding that soil on top of the kitchen scraps. So this grow bag will be ready to be used in the spring. All those kitchen scraps are buried under there. It's going to provide some excellent nutrients to this soil. And that's how I do it. Now the other half of kitchen scraps, I can either add it to another grow bag or dig a hole and bury it under the ground. I'm choosing to bury the other kitchen scraps here. Okay, the hole has been dug. And I've got a grow bag here. And I'm just gonna put my grow bag right on top. And it's hidden. Nobody knows I'm composting underground. And another little thing that I do, I didn't see this anywhere, I just came up with it on my own. I'll grab just a little bit of soil, just a little bit, add it to my kitchen scrap bin. I feel like the soil mixed in with the kitchen scraps, it cancels out the smell. I just thought I'd share that. It's something that I do. I'll take it inside and I'll continue to collect my kitchen scraps.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.